Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Recently we are posting lots of good videos, so I hope you guys are watching those videos and learning from them. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 3222. Find the winning player in coin game. So this is another interesting recent problem on Leetcode. So we are going to discuss this problem and implement its Java solution today. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel now. It really helps and supports this channel. So let's start with the problem statement first. You are given two positive integers x and y denoting the number of coins with values 75 and 10 respectively. Alice and Bob are playing a game. Each turn starting with Alice, the player must pick up coins with total value 115. If the player is unable to do so, then they lose the game. Return the name of the player who wins the game if both players are playing optimally. Okay, so this is what the problem says. So there are two types of coins, 75 and 10, and we have to find out if the players can pick up the total 115 value out of those coins. Constant says that the xy is between 1 to 100. So let's take a look at some examples and try to understand what the problem is. So there are two types of coins here, right? One type of coin is of 75 and one type of coin is of 10. So in the first example, they are saying that there are two coins of 75, right? There are two coins here and there are 7 coins of 10. So now Alice will start first, right? Alice will start first. She will pick up one coin of 75, right? One coin of 75, and she can pick up 4 coins of 10, correct? 4 coins of 10. So total becomes 115, right? And how many coins are left now? Because she picked up something, right? So she picked up one from here, so one left, and 4 from here, so 3 left, right? Now when Bob tries to gather these coins, then the total sum is not becoming 115, right? Because he has only 175 coin and 10 3 coins of 10, right? So 30 plus 75, which will give him 105, right? Not 115. So it means that Bob will lose the game and Alice will win the game, correct? So you have to output Alice here. So you understood this first example, pretty straightforward, right? So there are two denominations, 75 and 10. In the second example, you have 4 coins of 75 and you have 11 coins of 10, right? Now Alice will take one coin from here, so this will become 3 and she will take 4 coins from 10, correct? So this becomes 7. Why she is picking 1 and 4 from 10? Because she want to achieve this total, right? This total will be achieved if she picks 175. So 75 1 will give her 75 and 410 will give her 14, right? Because then if she gets these coins, then she will get 115, right? That's why. Okay, so now 3 and 7 is left. Alice is done. Now it's a Bob turn. So Bob will pick up 1 from here, so 2 will be left of 75, and he will pick up 4 from here, right? So 3 will be left here, right? So Bob is done. Now Alice will try to pick up, right? So she has a 75 uh, coin, but she does not have 4 coins of 10, right? She does not have enough coin of 10, so she will not be able to make this total. So Alice will lose and Bob will win, right? Okay, so you understood this problem. So now with these two examples, so have you noticed one thing here, that whenever this 10 coin is becoming less than 4, then that person cannot make this total basically whenever it becomes less than 4, because it needs 4 coins to make this 40, right? Otherwise he will never be able to make that 115 total, correct? So whenever it becomes less than 4, that person will lose and the other person will win basically, correct? So this is the basic logic to solve this problem. So we have to just keep processing the values in a loop, and whenever the value of the 10 coin becomes less than 4, we will stop it and that person will lose and other person will win the game, correct? So this is how we can solve this problem. So we'll directly go and I'll explain you in the code itself. So code is very simple. Winning player is what we are implementing. X and Y is given to us, right? X is 75 coin and Y is 10 coin, right? Now this one will return a string, right? Because the name of the winner. So count is 0 in the beginning. We are actually going to process into this while loop while x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 3. Right, y also should be greater than 3 and x also you need, right, x also should be greater than 0. Then only you can basically win, right, because at least one x coin you should have and at least 4 coins of y you should have. Then only you can pick up and make that total of 115. Now here you will decrease x by 1, here you will decrease y by 4 because you are picking one x coin, 175 coin and 410 coin to make that total. You will count, increment your count because one turn is done basically, right, one turn is done. So you will keep looping here and taking a turns and incrementing the coin. At the end you have to check if the count is a odd number or not. If it is a odd number, for example first situation, right, the count will be 1 which is a odd number, then allies will win. Here count will be 2, right, because two players have successfully made the total. Then Bob will win here, right, Bob will win because if it is odd number then only allies will win, correct, because allies Bob, that's how they will take the turn, correct. So that's why it is you are checking here, if the count is odd number allies will win, otherwise Bob will win. And that's pretty much it as the code goes, a very simple solution. So I wanted to show you this and we will now run the test cases. The test cases are passed, as you can see here we are getting correct answers. So we'll submit this code now to the Leetcode, make sure the code gets accepted. And the code is successfully accepted on 100% performance, which is a very good code to solve this coding problem. So I hope you understood this logic clearly, how we have just used this simple concept and a loop and a counter to find out who will be the winner, right. So this is how you can solve this problem on Leetcode 3220 to find the winning player in coin game. Another interesting problem. So I hope these whiteboarding examples help you understand this problem in an easier and better way. And if it did, then please give it a thumbs up to this video, give it a like to this video, subscribe to this channel. Your subscription is really important. It helps and supports this channel. It takes a lot of efforts to create these videos, so try to be generous. And if you haven't already watched our playlist, then do watch the playlist. There are more than 500 solved coding problems for you that can help you prepare well for your interviews. Important question varieties covered here includes graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, different data structure problems such as stacks, queues, priority queues, min-heap, max-heap. There are problems related to BFS, DFS, recursion, memoization, dynamic programming are also available for you on this channel. So don't miss them out. They are important problems and from interview perspective. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems that will help your programming skills and help you learn different techniques of problem solving. And thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.